Okay, let's talk commissions. This is a big topic and everyone has a different opinion, so I'm going to share my opinion with you based on years of experience in this industry and some different ways that you can structure your commission plans. If you're using Thinkific, you can only choose one commission percentage across the board. So that same commission percentage would apply to all individual courses, all subscriptions, etc. Now you can pick and choose which courses or member sites or subscriptions that your affiliates can promote. So you do have some control over this, meaning maybe you want to offer a 50% commission on your individual courses, but you don't want to offer a commission on your membership. You can remove the membership as an option for them to promote and just allow them to promote your courses. So now let's talk about actual commission percentage. I have a very strong opinion on this, and my opinion is that if I don't have to spend the time, money, or energy to promote my courses, then I'm okay with paying out a large affiliate commission. If those affiliates are doing the work to bring the customers to me, I'm happy to pay 30 to 50% commission on those sales. See, the thing is, if they don't bring any new customers to me or new students to me, then I don't pay them anything. So they're basically working for free until they make a sale, in which case I'm happy to give them a high affiliate commission because I want them to keep talking and keep promoting my courses and member site. Think of it this way. You know, there's only a certain percentage of people that you're ever going to reach despite your marketing or marketing efforts or money you're putting into it. So if your affiliates didn't bring these sales to you, what is the likelihood that you would actually reach that customer base? Probably pretty slim. And if you have almost no chance of reaching that customer base, then you'll have almost no sales. So right now we're paying our affiliates 30% commission on any new sales. So anyone that they bring into any of our courses or anyone that they bring into our membership site. Now, because our membership site is subscription based, it's a month after month or an annual plan, they make 30% commission month after month or year after year, as long as that member stays a member. So I believe in paying a relatively high commission to our affiliates and providing them everything they need to be able to continue to promote our programs and digital products and courses. It's less work for me, it's no time or cost investment for me, and they just keep bringing customers to us. Now, that doesn't mean that we don't do any marketing of our own. It just means that that helps the overall goal of increasing student numbers and customers. You see, your affiliates are putting themselves a little bit at risk by promoting someone else's products like digital courses or member sites, because they have grown their email list, they've grown their online following, and they don't want to fatigue their online audience or their email list by sending them too many promotions. So most affiliate marketers or people who are marketing affiliate programs or products are careful about what they're promoting. They want to make sure that they're going to have a reasonably high conversion rate once their subscriber or their online audience gets to your course. If you're only offering a 5 or 10% commission, unless you have a really high priced course, most people aren't even going to look at that if they're serious about affiliate marketing. Therefore, my suggestion is between 25 and 50% affiliate commission for your online courses and member site. Remember, without them bringing you these students and customers, you probably wouldn't even get the sale. So even if you have to give 50% away for bringing in a sale that you wouldn't have had previously, you're still making 100% more than you would have otherwise. So affiliate commissions are an important consideration and something that you need to decide now, because as you move along with your affiliate program, you're going to be putting together an affiliate guide and some affiliate assets, and you want to make sure that you have this nailed down. Take some time and think about what it's worth to you to have a sales force of people out there promoting your courses on your behalf that you probably wouldn't reach anyways, and what commission you're going to offer them.